And y'all can keep up with my hair. Girl. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl and we're back with a brand new haircut. Okay, I'm well aware that I change my hair often, and you know what I've realized? Over the course of my entire hair journey, I have always enjoyed changing my hair up. That's the beauty of black hair. Okay, I can braid it, twist out, bend to knot, color it, cut it off, taper cut, grow it back. You can do so much with it. And that's not even dibbling and dabbling in the world of extensions and braids. So, over the course of my journey, that's what I've realized. I love changing my hair up, and that's what brings me joy, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, we're back with a brand new haircut, and let's talk about it. So let's start with why I did it, because I feel like a lot of people are gonna ask me why. And aside the fact that I wanted to, I was getting a little bored with my hair. You know how I was just talking about how I like to change things up? I like to do different styles. I was getting really bored of the wash and go, back to back to back to back. I know some people really enjoy it, and this is a wash and go. Okay, so hear me out though. Just kind of doing the same exact style week after week really bores me, and it takes away like the creativity I feel when it comes to my hair and the enjoyment that I get out of changing my hair. I was getting really bored with my hair since the whole no oil and butter thing last year. I did it for a while, and it's not that I'm going back to oils, that's not what I'm trying to say, but it's just a styling option that I don't really like how it's heavily into wash and goes all the time. I don't mind the wash and go, I just don't know if I want to do it every single day, you know? Like maybe next week I want to switch things up. And I know you can switch things up and do twist out, braid outs, bend to knots. You can do all the other styles really, but there's a huge emphasis on wash and goes. That's what I did at first. I gave that a chance, and now I realize I really want to like switch things up, do things differently. And then I also colored my hair. As you know, I have some color in here. With that came its own set of challenges. So I was also bored with the color. Not the color itself, but just how I'm supposed to take care of my hair with the color. Between you and I really did not do a lot of protein treatments. I was kind of like, I am probably at the end of the color era. I am going to cut my hair. And then I did the taper cut, and I'm just like, wow. What? I think I'm going to continue coloring. Anyways, let's take it back to this style and this cut. As you know, or you may not know, I'm getting married soon, and I was thinking about how I wanted to do my hair for the wedding. And of course, you know, my mom was like, you're going to wear your natural hair? And I was like, yes I am. So I had to think about how I wanted to wear my hair for the wedding. So what I ended up doing is booking an appointment with a stylist in Montreal. If you don't know, I'm in Ottawa. Montreal is about a 2-hour drive, and I was like, let her figure it out. We'll talk it through and we'll decide on something. It was kind of risky, but it was a trial anyway, so I figured if I didn't like it, I would just go to somebody else. So one of the things that we talked about was the shape of my hair. I had braids. I took out the braids, and my hair actually had grown a lot. So basically what I've been doing, because I've been bored with my hair, and you know, I've been bored with the color as well as the styling options, I started getting braids. And I was braiding my hair kind of like back to back. Really love the convenience of it. I don't even know why I stopped getting braids, because let me tell you something. I love braids. And if I can't get my hair braided, I think that is not going to bring me any kind of joy. Anyways, I miss getting braids, so I started getting my hair braided back to back to back, just because I didn't really want to deal with my hair. Partly because of that as well. And also because I wanted a break from styling my hair. So I got braids, took out the braids, and I went to this salon. And I'm not even gonna lie, my hair was like super matted when I got there. As you know, I have a wedding coming up. I knew I wanted something fresh for the wedding, so I debated if I wanted to cut my hair before or after. But when I went and saw the stylist, we talked it through, and I was like, you know what? Why would I get a fresh, new, hot, sexy cut after the wedding. That makes no sense. That makes no sense, right? So we decided on this tapered cut. Listen, the back is pretty short, I'm not going to lie. Basically what she did is cut the back of my hair as well as the side, and the top got a bit of a cut too, but more like a trim. You know, about an inch was taking on top, and then the sides and the back, gone. It's gone. It gives such a nice, sexy shape. I know you see it. All right, so let's talk about the appointment, the process, because I know you have questions and hopefully I have answers. So I got to the salon. She did a light blow dry before trimming my hair, and then we proceeded to trim or cut, if you want to see it that way. Honestly, it's a cut. It's a cut. Okay, it's a cut. She cut a lot of the back. So we proceeded to cut my hair into the tapered shape. After the cut, we proceeded to wash and condition my hair, and it feels so good getting your hair washed by somebody else. The little luxuries in this life, you know, that once you start experiencing them, it's hard to not experience them anymore. Anyways, she did a thorough wash. That's one thing I've noticed. She shampooed my hair twice, and each time she makes sure she got all the way to my scalp, girl. It was a nice little scalp massage / shampoo at the same time. It was amazing. And then she proceeded to condition my hair. It was honestly very straightforward. She left the conditioner in my hair for like 5 minutes. It wasn't even like, oh, let's deep condition, let's do the most. No, it was straight up wash, condition, and then we moved on to the wash and go. It was done so easily that I still have questions. Oh, by the way, the conditioner was giving everything that needed to be given. Ooh, it was giving soft life. I don't know if I can say that, but a conditioner was making me feel all kind of luxurious, girl. Like when I touched my hair with the conditioner in it, I was like, ooh, what is that? Turns out it's L'Oreal. L'Oreal is making great shampoos and conditioners, girls. I did not know. No one told me. But I told her that I need this conditioner in my life, so I'm gonna have to pick some up. When it came down to styling, she used a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and I think it was Cantu. That one I'm not entirely sure, but I'm pretty sure it was Cantu Shea Butter. This salon experience really made me realize that products don't matter. She didn't use anything special. She didn't use some expensive looking products. It was just Cantu Shea Butter for the leave-in, and straight to a gel that she said she got off of Amazon. Girl, I know, Amazon. What? So I will link all of the products down below for you, but she used a gel that she got off Amazon. I've never seen it before. It's called Yummy. Never heard of it, but it's hard hold. Honestly, it's going to give you the crunch. It's gonna keep your hair in place for days, okay? She told me that this style is going to last 2 weeks, and it's been a whole week already, meaning that it is going to last 2 weeks. And it's so beautiful. Yeah, so she used the gel and did basically finger coil. So she grabbed small amount of hair and like finger coiled it around her fingers. And she did it so quickly. I was watching her and I was like, what kind of sorcery is this? What kind of magic trick? What is happening? I was so confused. She was doing it so fast. It took, I don't know, an hour to wash, condition, style my hair, and then I was under the dryer. Like, it was so quick and it was so nice. Yeah, so she went ahead and used these products on my hair, and then for my edges, she used Shine and Gem, actually, I think, and then she put Cream of Nature Edge Control on top of that. Girl, I don't know, but that's what she used. And they're simple products. It's not some extra expensive botanical gel. None of that. And my hair feels so nice. It was a little crunchy at first. The first day, you know, was basically set into the style. And then now my style is nice. It's soft. My hair is like evolving with the style. Girl, I know you I know you see this. And the colored tips, it's giving. You don't even have to be a hater, okay? I'm gonna wait for people to say Jen J's hair is not looking cute. Say what? Huh? Let me give you a 360. Oh, I'll turn to the side. You see this? You see this shit? Oh. Anyway, this is the side. This is the back. The other side. We're gonna get into this definition And I love it. I love this style. It's exactly what I needed to get my mojo back when it comes to my hair, because I really was not feeling my hair for the past couple of months, y'all. And I'm sure you noticed. If you're seeing this video, this is your permission to do something new with your hair. Try a different style, color it if you want it, get a cut if you want it. Like, just do something different. Hair is meant to be enjoyed. I truly believe it. There's a reason why we can do so many different styles with our hair. So take advantage. Do something different today. Don't even worry about what other people are going to say about your hair. Do it for you. You've been thinking about it for a while, so do it for you. I had a photo shoot today. I made sure to book it today because, you know, my hair is looking good. And the pictures, chef kiss. This hair is just giving me all the vibes. It's giving me everything. So I had to come and show you. Let me know what you think down below. If you have any questions, let me know and I will answer them. And to the people who's going to tell me, oh my God, Jen, your hair is not growing, I want us to remember this moment, okay? Actually, let's look at this little video that I'm gonna put right here. That's how much hair I had before I cut it. I cut it. It's not that it's not growing, it's that Jen J keeps cutting it. So, I wanna hear it. Plus, long hair is overrated anyway. No one wants to talk about it. We don't wanna admit it, but you know it's true. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.